And the instructions for use say to charge this for 8 hours before use, then briefly press the power button at the bottom to turn it on. Then you fill a washing basin with water and you place the machine in the basin, and then you add your ingredients. And then once the machine starts, it'll release hydroxyl ions to purify and clean. And it says there's 4 purification modes that are available, so select the corresponding mode as needed. Level 1 is 3 minutes and it does fruits and vegetables. Level 2 is 5 minutes, it does grains and agricultural products. Level 3 is 10 minutes and it does seafood and meats. And level 4 is static purification for tableware, baby products, etc. So the instructions say that basically in each mode, depending on how many minutes the mode is for example, the first mode is 3 minutes, that purification begins after 3 minutes. So you put everything in the water, making sure it's submerged, and then you set it. Then it'll run for 3 minutes. And then after that, you're going to let the food products in there or whatever you're sanitizing sit for another 5 to 10 minutes to allow the electrolysis to fully take effect. Okay, I created a blog post on my website and I'll share a link in the description below, but I wanted to show you this real quick so that I can explain to you what this is actually doing. So this uses titanium electrodes to generate hydroxyl radicals in water, which are powerful natural oxidants. And it breaks down pesticide residues, bacteria, and chemical coatings on produce. And it works without adding any added chemicals. And it's just best for everyday produce cleaning, grains, meat, and tableware. Now there are 2 other types of ultrasonic cleaners, and I share more about those in this blog post, so be sure to check those out. But this is the one I think is best for our basic everyday use. So you want to make sure that it's totally submerged in the water. Now I'm going to go ahead and add this kale in here. And like I said earlier when I was reading the manual, what you need to do is run it for 3 minutes. Then you're supposed to let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes so that it can actually do its job, which is do the electrolysis in the water. Okay, little bubbles are starting to form, and it seems like it's spinning and dispersing those bubbles around. And then it seems like it stops, gives bubbles, and then is it going to start again? Yep. Okay, it just finished its cycle, so I'm going to go ahead and set a 10-minute timer. Okay, now it's been 10 minutes, and let's check it out. There were some bubbles forming around everything sitting in here. Being able to just let it sit in there was pretty nice. This is what it looks like over here. It looks fresh too. And knowing that I was able to kill off a lot of the bacteria and pesticides, look at how much more stuff actually came off. There's definitely some more bugs and a lot of things floating in this water. You probably can't see it in the camera, but there's like little particles. All right, well, if you want to get one of these, check out the links in the description below. I share my affiliate links, which help support my channel. So thanks for shopping with my affiliate links. And check out my next video in this series of washing foods, fruits, vegetables. You can even wash seafood and meat with this, and baby products and silverware and all kinds of stuff. So I'm definitely going to have some fun testing this out. Well, be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great rest of your day. Bye.